Hey everybody, this is Beef. Welcome back to my channel. Well, my name is ScottyAllenDay, and we're going to be cracking packs today. Today, Dream Machines are going to be a lot of fun, a lot of nostalgic cars, boats, motorcycles, whatever we can be able to see that's inside of these packs. I don't know what's in there, so hopefully we're going to really enjoy today's video. I'm really excited about this. This is a brand new series. Once I fill up one of these boxes with these series, I will probably be doing a giveaway and just give away the whole box. So hopefully you guys will stick with me until I can be able to fill up an entire box, and then I'll do the giveaway, and then you'll end up with a whole free box of cards. Compliments of ScottyAllenDay. So right now we're going to start off with Dream Machines, and we're going to get the other camera rolling. And we're going to get a little bit focused here. Right now I have one pack that's open. And we're going to start off with a 1979 Dodge Little Red Express truck. That was the very first one that was on there. When we look at these cards, you have the cards right here. And then on the back it shows quite a bit of information about what this particular vehicle is. The next one we have is Scott Dewar Racer. Try and get this camera right where I need to be able to put it. I'd be able to put my reaction camera onto the screen. One of my favorite ones is a 1932 Ford Roadster. One of my all-time favorite cars when I was a kid. This was my dream car. Miss Madison Unlimited Hydroplane. DOBN inboard. I believe that's a hydroplane as well. If you like any of these cars that are showing up here, please drop it in the comment section below. I would love to hear about it because I am a car guy. I really enjoy cars. I like exotic cars and I like muscle cars. 1969 El Camino. You see these quite often. And I often see them with a custom cap on the back of the bed. 1948 English Ford Angelica. Angelia. I have to learn how to pronounce that. 1957 Jaguar XK40 Drophead. The auction, Las Vegas. 1931 Model A Ford. That's a pretty car. 1992 Chevrolet Corvette. Never really been a Corvette guy. I've been more of a Chevelle kind of a person. 1940 Willys Coupe. I've seen a lot of Willys in my day. I've seen a lot of Willys cars, but mainly the Jeeps. Alright, so we got new pack. 1977 Maserati Bora. Okay, I see what it is with the auction. These pictures were taken at an auction. 1970 Plymouth AAR Cuda. Got a Cuda. Gotta love a Cuda. Cooper's Unlimited Hydroplane. 1973 Plymouth Duster 340. I did like a Duster when I was a kid too. 1968 Pontiac GTO, King of the Drag Strip right there. One of the King of the Drag Strips was a 1968 Pontiac GTO. Mark Miller OPC, and I believe that's another hydroplane. 1947 Delahaye 175 Bigham El Falsidi Coupe de Ville. Wow. Okay, now that's a really, really interesting car. 1957 BMW 507. 1982 Toyota 4x4. That's when a Toyota looked like a Toyota. That's what a Toyota should look like. A 1966 Ford Mustang. Very, 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 very popular car in the 80s. If you had a classic car and you didn't have the money to be able to afford one, you had a 66 Mustang. Bud Light OPC hydroplane. Next pack. Just to keep in mind, my normal time limit with my cameras is about 20 minutes. So I open packs for about 20 minutes and then I end it. And I think that works out pretty well because, well. Alright, so we got a 1973 Plymouth Duster. We got a 1968 Pontiac GTO. It looks like we're hitting some reruns here. Mark Miller OPC, we just hit another rerun. So we'll find out what the common cars are in here. Let's see here, 1900 Mobile Steamer. Before cars, okay, so we got another 47 Galahad. We got another 57 BMW 507. We got another Toyota. We got another 66 Mustang. Looks like we got a duplicate pack here. Kind of disappointed in that. Bud Light OPC. We'll just speed through this. 31 Model A Ford. And again, a 92 Corvette. So we ended up with a whole pack of duplicates on that one. Kind of really, really, really disappointing for a start of a new pack. I'm going to cut the tops off of a couple of these so I can speed up through them a little bit. We'll be able to get through the first set of this series. Alright, so we got, oh, now this is a beauty. 1955 Ford F100 step side. Now, for those of you that don't know what a step side is, it is when you have that little, right on the side there, you have a little step that goes into the bed. That's what most people would have called a step side. 1990 Chevy 4x4. 1970 SS Camaro. Super Sports are the rarest of the rare. Well, more of the rarity, because a lot of times people would modify an SS and take the stock block out of it, and that totally devalues the car. And it turns you, once you lose an SS motor, a lot of times it's hard to be able to find a new SS motor. And with classic cars, you need to make sure that the numbers match. 1986 Corvette convertible pace car. A pace car is normally the lead car for a IndyCar race, NASCAR race. Crossell 8068F. We have a Formula One car. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Seabold F1 Tunnel Bout. I've liked hydroplanes. I've had a friend of mine in the family that had hydroplane. 1933 Ford 3-window coupe. Man, that looks deadly. That looks gangster. Another 1977 Maserati Bora. Another 1970 Plymouth AAR Cuda. Cooper's Unlimited hydroplane again as well. Miss Budweiser Unlimited hydroplane. So we're supposed to be getting a holographic stamped promo card in here somewhere, and I haven't seen one yet. Those are like and then there's supposed to be an original unnumbered uncut press sheet on there. 1966 Pontiac GTO, another King of the Drag strip. Winston Eagle Unlimited hydroplane. (1957) Chevy. Popular then and still popular today. 1966 Plymouth 426 Hemi Belvedere 2. Little quiz on a 57 Chevy. Why is a 57 Chevy so hard to be able to steal today? There's one feature on a 57 Chevy that makes it really hard for a common thief to be able to steal because they don't know where it is. A 1958 Chevrolet Impala convertible. Now just don't tell that in the comment section. Just say, I know, in the comment section. 1939 Aero Model 50 Seductima Special Roadster. I'd have probably got that mixed up with a old Mercedes 1957 Jaguar XK140 Drophead. 1940 Willys Coupe. 1969 El Camino. Then some more duplicates. 1948 English Ford Angelica. What we got? Alright, we're going to start speeding this up a little bit here so we can hopefully find some more gems. We got another Scott Dewar. 1957 Chevy. 1966 Plymouth 426. 1958 Chevrolet Impala convertible. There's another 39 Aero Model 50 Roadster. 57 Jaguar. 69 El Camino. I'd really like to have a set list to know exactly what kind of cars are in here because there's an awful lot of duplicates. Okay, we got 2 of the same cards in the same pack. That's a downer. 1940 Willys Coupe. I gotta fix my camera. Miss Madison hydroplane. And another 32 Ford. I can see why these cards aren't very, very popular. There's another Miss Madison, a 32 Ford, Scott Dewar, 55 Ford F100 stepside, 97 Chevy 4x4, 1970 Chevy SS Camaro, 1986 Chevrolet convertible pace car, Coswell 68F. Okay, I'm sounding like a broken record right now. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, Seabold F1 tunnel boat, 1933 Ford 3-window coupe. What a terrible, terrible card deck. And if we end up with more duplicates on this, I'll probably open up the rest of the deck and see if there's anything else that should be shown and do another video on this, because this is a really, really bad collection. I would probably say do not buy this. My Way inboard. Finally say something, I'm getting different cards now. 1932 Ford Vicky. Nice car. Ooh, a 1923 Ford T-Bucket. And Fitzgerald inboard. Hydroplane. I don't understand why a hydroplane is a dream machine. 1964 Chevrolet Biscayne Tudor. 1955 Custom Panhead. Now we're getting to motorcycles. It's about time. 1933 Bugatti Type 49 Profile Coupe. 1956 Lotus Mark 9 Roadster. Wow, talk about a futuristic car. That had to have turned heads. 1957 Chevrolet Corvette 427 Tricarb. Here comes my car. This is my dream car. I love these cars. A 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. King of the drag strip. 1953 Ford 1953 Ford F100. Not a whole lot of people that restore classic trucks anymore. And those are actually pretty. We got a Ange Fitzgerald inboard. We got another 61 Chevrolet Biscayne Tudor. Here we're going into the repeats again. 1953 Custom Panhead. 1993 Bugatti. Again, we got another Lotus. We're getting a duplicate pack here. What the heck is going on? 1957 Chevrolet Corvette 427 Tricarb. Another Chevelle. 53 Ford F100. Okay, we ended up with an exact same pack. Miss Budweiser Unlimited Hydroplane. 1966 Pontiac GTO. Winston Eagle Unlimited Hydroplane. Okay, we have yet to get a holographic card, a holographic stamp promo card, or an original numbered uncut press sheet, which I think might be on the back. I'll have to double check one. I'll have to check one as I go through this one. Bud Light Unlimited OPC Hydroplane. 31 Model A Ford. Another Corvette. A Little Red Express truck. Oops, threw that in the wrong pile. Deal me an inboard. Okay, we ended up with a bunch of hydroplanes. Dean Chu OPC. 1919 American Le France Speedster. A pretty car. 1953 MG TD Roadster. Nice car. 1959 Cadillac 62 Series convertible. 1965 Ford Mustang 2x2. 1977 GMC Stepside 4-wheel drive pickup. Alright, so we got that one completely done, and I'm off the air on that one, and we're going to wrap this up today. So what do you guys think about this? I'm really disappointed in this entire set because of the fact that there are so many duplicates. And according to the box, we're supposed to have a special 12-card Cobalt subset holograph stamp promo cards and an original uncut numbered press sheet. and we have not seen a single one of those as we've gone through this pack. So, what do you guys think of it? I'm gonna do more videos on this, just try and get through the whole box and see if we can't come up with an entire set. Once I get the entire set, we'll do an entire video of the entire box set. And again, I'm gonna do a giveaway once I finish the whole thing. Once I get done the whole video, I'll do an entire, I'll do a random giveaway, and well, we'll see where it goes from here. Like I said, I'm a real car guy. I like the classic cars. I haven't really gotten into today's supercars, but there's a few classic supercars in that set that are really impressive. So, hopefully you guys liked the video. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Hopefully you'll like and share the video with your friends. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video. And until next time, keep on rocking.